Today we are making the best paper airplane from the around 50 that we tested. So let's get started. So first we're going to make a standard fold right down the center. This is with just about every single, I think all but one started this exact same way. It's really important for the corners to be perfectly aligned in the center fold. Then we're going to fold the two corners to that center line. Again, try to make every single fold. See how this is aligned properly? How this is there's a very equal gap going down here. Try to make every fold as perfect as you can, because once you start getting into fold number 18 and 19 and 20 and so on, it starts to become a little bit cluttered and things start to misalign. By rubbing your nail across the fold, you can kind of just really set that fold in. You know, I forgot that how much joy there actually is in just making a cool paper airplane and just throwing it and seeing how far it goes.
Dude, I know it was cool in the gym when there was just a ton of space.
Yeah, it was like a childhood dream.
If we had more time, you could have like thrown them up in the air and such.
Yeah, see which one went the highest. Oh, I forgot the name of the plane we are making. This one, I don't know if you'll remember from the video, it is called Hang Time. And it was so cool because that's exactly what it did. The plane went up and it came down and then it just kind of glided before hitting the ground for like another 40 feet. It was crazy. So this next fold is a little bit tricky. The crease should be, you see where this fold is here, where this line is here? The crease should start there, and on the opposite end, it should end at this corner, so as close as you can get to this corner. The technique here is to try to first press the corners down and then kind of work towards the middle. See, so it's not perfect there, so I'm not going to use my nails just yet to really set it in until it is perfect. Cool. All right, so now we will open this back up. We'll go the opposite way with this fold. And then do the same on this side. All right, open that back up, and then we will then use those folds to tuck underneath here. Now is a good time to just straighten everything back out. Now that you have your few folds in, things might start to come up a little bit, so just straighten everything back out. See, it's pretty solid now. These are tucked in here. Now we're just gonna go in half here. If everything was done right so far, these two corners and these two corners should align. So this will be testament to how well I folded so far. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's pretty close. This fold is a little weird. It's a simple fold, this next one. You're just gonna fold the wings down, but it's hard to mark like exactly where you're gonna do it. So just kind of, you're gonna notice a little bit of resistance right here because of some of the folds we made. It'll be about 1 inch up. Where you feel that resistance is where you're gonna make that fold. It's a little hard to explain, but when you have gotten this far with this airplane, you'll feel it right around this area, but you won't see it. And these will not be at an angle. These wings will be straight down. All that's left. Press everything down. Now we just got to make the flap. About 1 centimeter up. It's really important for everything to be equal on both sides, otherwise the plane will go this way or that way. That's hang time.